Hello everyone, welcome to Arun's TechForge. I am Arun Barua and I welcome you to Arun's TechForge, and today we will learn how to update a Google Sheet when somebody fills a Google form. This is a real example that I have deployed in my own server to send you all my eBooks when you fill the Google form. Okay, so I will show you this real time example. Yesterday I have coded and deployed in EC2. So let us begin. So this is the workflow I created and deployed in my own EC2 instance that I will be used to send you my eBooks Arun Teaches Python and Arun Teaches Machine Learning when you fill the Google form and join my inner circle. Okay, let me go to the work area and show you. This is the live, currently it is active. So I will be only showing, by clicking these individual items, okay? So before that, what I did, let me go to this is my Excel sheet, okay? And this is the questionnaire, Arun's TechForge inner circle, and here I welcome to join my inner circle so that you guys can get free books and resources. You have access to virtual meetings, updates, and so many things that I would be conducting in due course of time. So when any one of you goes, enters your name, email, phone number, city, country, and submit the form, immediately this worksheet will be filled up to the country. Then the n8n workflow will run because it is listening to a webhook, okay, and it will just check if this email sent is empty. It means if this field is empty, then it will pick that record, send an email to that person, also write a remark, okay? So let us just, I will show you the real life example, okay? So, and here is my EC2 instance, it is currently running, okay? So, let me quickly show you the demo. Give me a second, please. So, this is where I think I put the link yesterday. Yes, you can see in all my videos from yesterday onwards, you will see this link. If you click there, or if you come and quickly fill the form, for example, I am filling country, India, and I submitted it. You can see after some time, okay, it is filled. And now see, quickly you have seen that Yes, it also fill the yes and email is sent. Okay. Now if I go to my Outlook, I will immediately see that mail. Yeah, this is the mail you all will be getting like this. Welcome to Inner Circle. Here is your free ebooks collection. Click on the book and you can download these 2 books. Okay, I am the author of these 2 books and I am giving it for free. You people can download both the books. You can download. Yeah, so book is downloaded. Okay. Now let us see how it exactly happened. Okay. We use the webhook here. Okay, now before that webhook works, you have to come to the Google's worksheet. You have to go to extension. You have to go to app script. Okay, and this is the code I have written, a very simple code. You know, it is having the URL of the n8n workflow. Okay, then we are giving the, make sure that this is the right worksheet. Okay, form response equals to 1. This is the form response equals to 1. You can see here in the sheet form response 1. If you, in your case, you can name it to a different thing. Okay, then what we are doing here, just taking the sheet, get sheet, taking the n8n webhook URL. Okay, that's the same URL. From here basically we have taken this, okay, and paste it in this app script. Then we are getting the row, getting the data. These are the fields: name, email, phone, city. Book links was there, now it is not there. I have deleted from that earlier because it is useless to print the book links, same Google Drive links for all the records, right? It is unnecessary, that's why I have deleted it. The reference is still there, no problem. Then the operation is, method is post, content type application JSON, and that's it. URL fetch.fetch, URL options. Then I publish this particular trigger by coming in and clicking this trigger. Add a trigger, click on this add trigger, then select it on form submit and fill the remaining thing. Okay, this is just nothing. You have just to, if I edit and show it to you, it will be like this. No big deal. On form submit, event source is your form spreadsheet, event type is on form submit, and you will save it, notify me daily, that's okay, and that's it. This trigger will be updated, the new trigger will be created. After that you can use this workflow, and in this workflow, first item is our webhook, the method is post. Okay, part we have written Google form, and that Google form is appended here. Authentication is none, response is immediately. Only these fields you need to select. Then there is a if condition. Why this if condition is needed? Here this is JSON, email sent is blank. It will only respond to those records whose email sent is blank. You see this? Now if another record comes here, and initially its email sent will be blank. Only then it will take over that record and update it. If it is not blank, it will not take. That is why that if condition is taken. Very simple. Then we have created edit fields. What are those? In the edit fields, we have manually added book links, then remark. In a remark, it is just joined inner circle. Okay, and in the book link, we have given the book link name and the Google Drive. This is the Google Drive where I kept my Google Drive shared folder where I kept my books for you people. Okay, that's the thing. After that, send a message. We have seen this send a message many times, right? In my past videos, I have been continuously covering email only. So this is the email authorization. You need to, enter your own credentials. This resource will be message, operation is send, and here to whom you will send it. Okay, if this items.jsons.body, in the body there will be an email to that person you will send. Subject, I have written it. Welcome to Arun's inner circle. Okay, circle. Then email type is HTML, and this is actually a HTML beautifications I did. In case you don't know HTML, write it in text, go to Google, any LLM like ChatGPT, ask it to convert it to HTML and copy paste it. Okay, so this is the format. In this format, you will get the message like this. Okay, this is a live demo I have given. Okay, now there is a reason for starting my tutorials with n8n. There are many tools, make.com is there, Zapier is there, sim.ai is there, right? However, n8n is very much versatile. It is open source. You can deploy this to any web server of your choice. I am a hardcore coder and I have been using Azure and AWS for many years, probably 15 plus years. So I have deployed it in an EC2 T2 micro instance. This is with Linux, and it would hardly cost less than $5 per month, running 24/7. Now, if you just come to the n8n's iOS cloud platform, you can see that the monthly starter is 24 pounds, which will be around 2,500 Indian rupee. And how many workflows you can run, how many operations, executions you can run is 2,500. Now, in case, a quick calculator, let me just show you. If you, in 24 hours, it will be into 496 run. Okay, similarly in 30 days it will be 2,880 runs. So you have to pay more than this plan, right? It is only 24 pounds. You have to pay extra also. Since I have used EC2 instance with a T2 micro, I will only incur less than $5. Okay, that's the beauty. That is why I put more emphasis on n8n and any other open sources. Okay, because most of the client would certainly love if you help them to save money. Okay guys, so this is it. Actually today I just wanted to show you like this. Maybe tomorrow I will try to show you some more examples by building in front of you. Today I just do not want to disturb this workflow. So this is it for today. So from yesterday's video onwards, go to the description, click on this link, join my inner circle, claim your free ebooks machine learning, and Arun teaches Python. It will be very helpful for you guys. Okay, and also please share, subscribe, and please hit the bell icon. Okay guys, so see you tomorrow with a new video. Probably I will try to take something with n8n and nano banana. Okay, let's see. See you tomorrow soon. Have a great day.